Is it even worth it?
No, back up.
I'm still thinking. You're holding my money. You gotta do it.
You're holding my money. You gotta do it. I don't know what's that.
Okay, one more time. Maybe it's the edge of the barrel in it and everything. 15 minutes.
Everyone's already got the cameras, look. So it's like saying goodbye to the boy. We get flat with it.
Wait for it. Wait. Oh my god!
Come on, bud.
Oh man.
Hold it there for like 30 more seconds. Alright, ready?
Hold on. I don't want to actually know when pain comes. Hold on.
Fuck, come on, suck it up.
Dude, it's gonna hurt like hell.
I know. So I'm being so mean. We get the crowd shot.
Hey, booty.
So, man.
Oh, fuck, come on. You should have done it, you idiot.
I was about to pull the trigger.
You should have done it. Oh, no, it's gonna hurt so bad. Alright, do it.
Fuck, you gotta stand there for 30 seconds so I can shoot you.
Right here. Alright. Alright, do it.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Did you get a picture of it?
How'd that feel? How'd that feel, bud?
You got a video of him getting hit?
Yeah, man.
Let me see the video of him getting hit.